hapo. Kama na kwa nini umepanga nini? This year.
This expected your excellency take 26 weeks.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Complete.
Quality workmanship.
Quality work.
Yeah.
Yes. Unajua hivi.
Where the substructures you can see on the right here, the substructure marks the VIPs in the bin, and you see on the right side, your excellency is 70%. There are some areas. Now your excellency, as you take the load that starts, which is 5%.
And on the other side, I agree. Hii area hii ni ya mvua. Yeah? Yeah? Yeah, so that is that one. Yeah? Yeah, correct? Yeah? Okay, so then we have now one A and B on one side and for the other two. There'll still be the one within the stadium, but yes. For the national team, for the team stage, gold selected, now meter down, so